This here is the Heritage case designed for the Galaxy Buds Pro.
Now everybody scream enough respect to the X. Enough respect given.
Now, if you didn't know, I do like a good case on my earbuds. Note my Pokemon case for my Buds FE. Gotta catch them all. So let's take a quick look at this. When the Buds were announced, I saw these on the site. And if you order them at the time, you got a good like 20 bucks off. I think I paid like 10 bucks for this. And it was such a very nice shape, very nice color. I couldn't help. Let's see if I could get one. And there it is. Inside you have a tassel. And it really just goes around the case, just like so. You have a sticker inside, so you pull up that, you put the earbuds inside, and the bottom should stick and keep the whole thing together. Let's try it out. Here we have my Buds 4 Pro in the online exclusive color peach. Love these things, they sound great. They did a wonderful job with these, though I do wish they still had the laser light from the Buds 3 Pro. Now, let's remove this tape. A lot harder than it sounds. There we go. Put the buds inside. And it fits in really snug. I like that. Let me just make sure it's the top part that can open. There we go. It does fit in really snug. And let's see if there's a specific direction to put it all in. Well, I don't think there is. And there it is. Now there's the issue of the tassel. I'm not exactly sure where it goes. Or even how to get out of this plastic without causing it damage. There we go. Ah, perhaps there. Ah, note the holes at the side. That's why it's always good to do a complete walk around of whatever you have. You never know when you might miss something. Let's try and get this in here. Not. Yeah, okay. It has to kind of slide around. Much trickier than it seems. So the rubber can be pulled up. So we should be able to slide the tassel right in here. And once it's there, we just got to bring it back to the other side. Oops. Don't want that to fall. The good thing about this is once you do it once, you'll never have to do it again. Now with the magic of editing, I have got this thing in record time. Folks, it is not easy. It takes a little bit of finger gymnastics. You might need to use a thin pin, or in my case, a SIM ejector tool, but it is more than possible. Now you have your tassel connected. You have your buds in the bottom tray. And the top tray connected. And here it is. The Galaxy Buds 4 Heritage case.
And yes, it does still wirelessly charge while in the case. So there you have it, the Heritage case with the Buds 4 Pro. It's a really nice looking case. The buds, especially this color, really complements it. The cream with the green goes beautifully together. There's also a black and red case, which would go very well with, I guess, the black version of these buds. And yeah, you can't really go wrong. So with that said, my name is Engie, the Neon X. I'm really happy I got this case with my earbuds. This is what I'm into.